Hello, viewers. Today we are going to talk about SEO tips for beginners. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's all about making your website more visible to search engines like Google. By optimizing your site, you can improve its ranking in search results, which means more people can find you online.
Number 2, keyword research made easy.
Now onto keyword research. Think of keywords as the words or phrases people type into search engines when looking for information. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or Answer the Public can help you find relevant keywords related to your topic. Look for longer, more specific phrases, known as long-tail keywords with lower competition.
Number 3, optimizing your content. Once you've found your keywords, it's time to optimize your content. This means including your chosen keywords in strategic places like your titles, headings, and throughout your content. But remember, write for humans first. Your content should be informative, engaging, and valuable to your audience. Now, number 4, building simple backlinks. Now, let's talk about backlinks. These are links from other websites that point back to yours, and they're crucial for SEO. Start by reaching out to friends or colleagues and asking them to link to your site. You can also join online communities or forums related to your topic and share your content there. Quality over quantity is key here.
And last, number 5, monitoring your progress.
Don't forget to monitor your progress. Tools like Google Analytics and Google Search Console are your best friends here. Keep an eye on your website traffic, keyword rankings, and other performance metrics regularly. This way, you can see what's working and what needs improvement. And there you have it, beginners. A crash course in SEO to get you started on the right foot. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process, so don't be afraid to experiment and learn as you go. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help you boost your website's visibility online. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly SEO tips. Have any questions or comments? Leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy optimizing!